Hello students, and I welcome you to your maths online class. And students, yes, in my last lecture I have taught you about exercise 4.1 and there we have completed all the questions of exercise 4.1 till question number 7th, and I hope you must have completed all your work till question number 7th of exercise 4.1 in your maths CW notebook. And today I am ready to teach you exercise 4.2, and exercise 4.2 is having two questions, but today I will be teaching you only question number first, that is add using a number line. So there are few parts from A to part L where I will teach you how to add the given integers on a number line. Fine. So today we will do only this first question. So let's begin. So how we have to do it? Just see question number first. Your part A is -7 plus 2. Okay. So to add this number, as it is given clearly in the question that we have to do it using a number line. So first of all you have to draw the number line, right? Now see which is the first integer. The first integer is -7. So we will start writing our numbers from minus side, that is from left hand side. If it is minus sign, no, then you start writing from left hand side, and if it is plus sign, then you will start writing from right hand side. So you will start from -7 firstly. So write down -7, then -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, and then 0. And then whatever space you are having, no, in that space you mention the positive integers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we were having only this much space, so we will mentioning only that many number in positive side, that much space we were having. Now we have to begin with -7, minus side. So for minus sign we will move towards the left hand side. So firstly you will begin your question always from 0. Okay, whichever is the part you will begin your question with 0. So firstly from 0 you will come to -7. पहले आप 0 से -7 पर आएंगे. So you will do jump like this from 0 to -7, and now you have to add 2 in this. For plus you have to move towards the right hand side, and for minus you have to move towards the left hand side. So first was -7, so we moved towards the left hand side. Now it is +2, so we will move 2 steps towards the right hand side. Now when you will move 2 steps, no, so you will not count this 7, count 6 and 5. 2 steps means 1, 2. Okay, so you will come 2 steps here. Don't count this 7, count 2 steps leaving 7. So 1, 2. So you will come like this. Okay, therefore your answer will be -7 plus 2. So is equals to what? It will give you -5 answer. Like this you have to write. Okay, see, that was A part. Now let's move on to B part. In B part it is 1 plus -5. See, this is your B part. Now draw the number line. Now it is 1, no sign, that means positive. So you have to start from positive side here. Okay, so as I told you, it is when positive side is given, no, so you can write firstly 0, and then you can write 1, 2, 3, 4. At least 1 is asked only, no, so we can write 1 or 2 more numbers that side, and this side you can write -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 till -6 say I have written. Now firstly I have to do +1. So from 0 I will move to +1. Always you will begin your question from 0. Okay, begin your question from 0 only. So from 0 firstly will go to 1 because 1 is written here. Now we have to move to -5. That means, as I told, for minus sign you have to move towards the left hand side. So this is the left hand side. So we will move 5 steps this side. So when you will move 5 steps this side from number 1, you will not count number 1, count from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So counting 5 steps you will come to 4. So from 1 you have to show like this till 4. Okay, so you have reached to -4. Therefore, your answer will be 1 plus minus 5 is equals to minus 4. So, this will be your answer. Fine. Now, in C part, it is minus 9 plus 5. So, this is your C part. Now, you can see that in C part, it is minus 9 in the beginning. So, draw the number line. And you have to start from left hand side because minus side is there. So, start from here and from minus 9 only you start. Okay. Then minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and 0. So, this much space we are having for positive. So, write down as many numbers are coming in positive side. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are coming. So, we will mention only 4 numbers that side. Okay. Now, we have to start from minus 9. That means we will begin from 0 and then firstly we will come to minus 9. Okay. So, from 0 we will begin our question and we will come to minus 9 like this. Now, it is plus sign. That means for plus we will move towards the right hand side. So, for plus 5 you will move towards right hand side 5 steps. So, don't count minus 9, count from 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, that means till minus 4 you will reach. Fine. So, therefore, your answer will be minus 9 plus 5 is equals to minus 4 like this. Okay. See, next part is D part. It is minus 3 plus 9. Okay. This is the question. So, again draw the number line. Minus 3. The question is starting from minus sign. So, start your question from minus 3 only. This side minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. And as many space you are having, that many numbers you draw to positive side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, I was having this much space. I have drawn the number line till positive 8. In positive side, no need to mention plus sign. Without sign also it is understood that it is positive only. So, firstly we have to move to minus 3. So, from 0 as I told you we will begin and firstly we will move to left hand side, that is to minus 3. Now, from minus 3 we have to move towards the right hand side because plus sign is there. So, we will move that side 9 steps. So, don't count minus 3, count from minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, we will reach to number 6. So, from minus 3 you have to reach to 6. So, therefore, your answer will be minus 3 plus 9 is equals to 6. Answer. No need to mention plus sign, it is understood. If no sign is there, then it will be plus sign only. Okay. So, that was your D part. Move on to next part. 8 plus minus 3. This is your E part. Now, draw the number line. Okay. Now, the first number is 8, right. So, 8 means positive 8. So, from positive side you can draw the number line. Here you can write 8, then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If it is minus sign, then start from left hand side. If it is plus sign in the beginning, then start from right hand side. So, 8 was there. So, I have started from right hand side by writing 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, whatever space I am having, in that space I will write the negative integers. So, here 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4 like this. So, first of all we have to start from 0 and from 0 we will move to plus 8. So, from 0 you will directly jump to plus 8. Now, from plus 8 you have to move 3 steps towards the left hand side because it is minus sign. Okay. It is plus sign, but after plus it is minus. So, we will consider plus minus as minus. So, we will move 3 steps back side. So, when you will move 3 steps back side, don't count 8, 1, 2, 3. So, that means from 8 you have to come till number 5. So, it will be 8 plus minus 3 is equals to 5 answer like this. Okay. Now, I hope it is clear. Move on to next part. F minus 2 plus minus 9. Okay. Here you can see that both the integers are with negative sign, right. So, we have to begin with negative sign only here. Okay, so more numbers are there towards the negative side. So start from, at least in mind you can calculate it firstly. So 9 plus 2 is 11. So basically we need at least 11 numbers here. So I am starting from 12, one extra, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and 0. Then this much space is remaining, so there I will write positive numbers 1, 2, 3. So this much space I have covered till integer positive 3. Now we have to start from 0 and then we have to move towards the left hand side minus 2. So from 0 I will jump to minus 2 firstly, and then I have to move 9 steps towards left hand side only. Left hand side में ही 9 step मुझे और आना है because minus 9 is there. So count 9 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means on 11. So from 2 only I will jump towards number 11, minus 11. So therefore minus 2 plus minus 9 will give you what? Minus 11. This will be the answer. Okay, so this was your F part. Move on to next G part. So in G part it is 9 plus minus 9. This is the question. Draw the number line. So positive 9. Okay, it is from positive 9. So from right hand side we will start. So here you will write 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then this much space we are having, so we will write the negative integer 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, so we have to write firstly 9. So we will begin from 0 and from 0 we will move towards 9. So from 0 you have to jump towards number 9 like this. Now minus 9 is there, so we have to move 9 steps towards the left hand side. So start counting from 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you will come to 0 only. When you will count 9 steps towards the left hand side, you will come back to 0 only. So therefore your answer will be 9 plus minus 9 is equals to 0 is the answer. Okay. Now let's move on to H part. H part is minus 7 and plus 12. So again draw the number line. Okay, minus 7, the question is beginning from minus 7, so we will start from negative side. Minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this much space I was having in positive side, so I have mentioned the number till 6 in positive side. Now we have to begin from minus 7. So from 0 we will begin to minus 7. So 0 to minus 7 firstly you will jump and then plus 12. So for plus you will move towards the right hand side. Okay, so count 12 steps towards the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 step means we will reach to number 5. So from 7 we will reach to number 5. So your answer will be 5. Minus 7 plus 12 will give you what? It will give you 5 as your answer. Fine students. So that was your H part. Let's move on now to part I. So part I is minus 8 plus minus 5. So this is your part 8. Now for this also students you see that both the integers are with minus sign. दोनों माइनस साइन के साथ में है. ओके, सो दिस विल बी totally minus sign only. So in mind when both the sign are of minus sign, then you do the calculation in your mind. So 8 plus 5 will give you what? It will give you 13, right? So in negative side we need at least till number 13. So we will start from minus 13 only. Minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, and then positive side only one space is there, so I have written there number 1 only. Okay, so from 0 I will start and from 0 I have to jump to -8 firstly. 0 से पहले मुझे -8 पे jump करना है because my question is starting from -8. So from 0 I am jumping to -8, right? And from -8 I have to move towards minus sign only. This is plus, this is minus. So plus minus gives you minus only. So you will move towards the minus side only, that is towards the left hand side, 5 steps. So count 5 steps, don't count 8, count from 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will reach to -13. So from -8 you will come to -13. So therefore -8 plus -5 will give you -13 as your answer. Okay, now after I, it's J part, -3 plus -1. So this is also both the integers are with minus sign. So in mind only both are minus. So in mind you do calculation, 3 plus 1 is 4. That means in negative side at least we need till number 4, right? So it is not that much big, no, so we can take more numbers also towards the negative side. Say I am taking till -5, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, and towards the positive side 1, 2, 3, 4. This much space I was having, I can write 5 also. So I mentioned till number 5. Now I have to begin with -3, that means left hand side. So from 0 I will jump towards -3. Okay, now only one step more I have to move towards the left hand side. So one step more means from 3 I will jump to -4. So therefore my answer will be -3 plus -1 will give me what? It will give me -4 as the result. Okay, so that was the J part. Now the last second part, that is part K. It is 4 plus -9. Okay, so draw the number line. Fine. So plus 4, okay, that means right hand side. So you have to start from right hand side. So from here you can begin from 4, then 3, 2, 1, 0, then towards the negative side, as much space you are having, that many negative numbers you write, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So I got till -7. So firstly plus 4, that means I have to move towards the right hand side. So from 0 I will move to plus 4 towards the right hand side. Now -9, plus minus is minus. So minus side means left hand side. So I will move towards the left hand side 9 steps. So I will not count 4, I will count from 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So from 4 I will directly come to -5 after counting the 9 steps towards the left hand side. So therefore the answer will be 4 plus -9 is equals to -5. So this will be the answer of K part. Now finally part L. So this is the last part of this exercise. Draw the number line. Okay, it is 11 plus -16. This is the question. So you can see that negative side it is still -16 and positive side it is 11. So from positive we will start the question since it is plus 11. So from here you will start 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Now move towards the negative side. This much space we are having. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay. So from 0 firstly we have to move towards the positive side, that is towards 11. So from 0 just jump towards 11 towards the right hand side, and now from 11 you have to count 16 steps towards the left hand side. Okay, because it is minus, and for minus you have to move towards the left hand side. So count the 16 numbers from 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So -5. So from 11 you will jump towards -5. Okay. So therefore your answer will be 11 plus -16 will give you what? It will give you -5 as the result. So this is how you have to solve the integers of addition of integers using the number line. So always remember students that whenever it is positive, then you have to move towards the right hand side, and if it is negative, you have to move towards the left hand side. And if both are negative, then you have to move towards the left hand side only, you will not move towards the right hand side. Fine. So this was all about question number first of exercise 4.2. So complete this question, solution of this question in your Maths CW notebook, and I meet you all in next online class. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you, students.